Beneath the calm surface of the sea lies a story of hope, a story born in the waters of Barangay Naval, Hilongos, Leyte. Once, this seabed was barren, lifeless, but through the collective effort of the community, life slowly began to return. Sa dagat nga kaniadto walay kinabuhi, karon misugod na og panamkon pag-usab sa iyang kaanyag. The Naval Marine Sanctuary's artificial reef is not just concrete underwater. It's a home, a safe space for corals to grow, for fish to spawn, and for an entire ecosystem to heal itself. Kini nga proyekto nagpadayag nga bisan sa kalawom sa dagat, makab-ot gihapon nato ang paglaum ug kabag-ohan. The goal is simple yet profound, to restore what has been lost, and to ensure that the blessings of the sea will continue to feed generations to come. Alang sa mga mananagat, kini dili lang proyekto. Kini maoy paglaum nga mubalik ang kadagatan nga ilang gisandigan sa panginabuhi. Every mangrove planted, every coral fragment secured, every artificial reef sunk, all these actions create ripples of change. Ang tanang gamay nga buhat alang sa kinayahan, dako ang epekto sa kaluwasan sa katawan. The ocean does not need us to survive, we need it, and protecting our marine ecosystems means protecting life itself. Today, the Naval Marine Sanctuary stands as proof that nature can heal if only we allow it. Ang dagat, kon atong ampinan, mobalos kini pinaagi sa paghatag og kinabuhi og pagkaon. It is not just an artificial reef anymore. It is a living testament of what unity and purpose can achieve. This movement is driven by people, the fishers, the youth, the barangay, and organizations who believe that small actions lead to great change. Kung magtinabangay, mahimong posible ang pagpanalipod sa atong kinayahan. Together, they are not only rebuilding reefs, they are rebuilding hope. From a lifeless seabed to a thriving sanctuary, the journey of Naval's artificial reef reminds us of one truth, ang kaluwasan sa dagat, kaluwasan sa kinabuhi. To save the sea is to save ourselves. Kay kung atong ampinan ang dagat, magpadayon ang kinabuhi sa katawan ug sa kalibutan. Naval Marine Sanctuary, Barangay Naval, Hilongos, Leyte, a community effort for marine conservation and sustainable livelihood. Save the ocean. Save lives.